This is a District 228 tech tutorial on how to use Wordart.com to create beautiful word art. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is go to Wordart.com and simply choose Create Now. That's going to open a page that looks like this. Over on the left-hand side are different ways to customize your word art. Okay, starting with a few defaults. The first three words, word, cloud, and art, are all customizable by simply clicking in the box. You can either change the word or you can simply remove it by choosing the remove button. To add new words, I simply click on add and then I type in my new word. And I continue to do this until I've got every word that I'd like to use included. Okay, once my words are all over there in my first customizable option, I can then choose some of the other menus below. For example, shapes. Okay, this is going to pop up with a bunch of different ways that I can organize my word art into pictures. Okay, I like this little panda, so I'm going to choose him. I can also choose a different font, a different layout, and a different style, including word colors, color emphasis, background image. All right, so many ways to customize. Once I'm done customizing, I then simply choose the red Visualize button, and up comes my art. Okay, once I've decided that it looks good, I can choose the download button, and I want a standard PNG is fine, otherwise a JPEG. If you're just turning it in for an assignment, I'd go PNG. Download, and your word art is going to download right to your files. Okay, so when I'm ready to upload it to Google Classroom, I can minimize my internet, choose my files on my iPad. I'm going to change to on my iPad, and here is my word art. Okay, I can open it up, click the share button, and I could submit it right to Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please see the librarian in your building for help. Thank you.